Databases. A database refers to any organized collection of data, including schemes, tables, queries, reports, views, and other objects. A data management system is a computer software application that collaborates with the user, other applications, and lastly the database itself in order to catch and evaluate the data. Many types of databases exist, but the main two types of databases are NoSQL and SQL. NoSQL databases provide the tools for storing and retrieving data that is presented in ways other than tabular relations, which is used in relational databases. SQL databases make use of the aforementioned tabular relations and are designed for managing data held within a relational management database system. For the purpose of this presentation, I would like to present a more in-depth analysis of SQL and NoSQL databases, then review the growing trend of the shift from SQL to NoSQL. As previously mentioned, Structured Query Language, or SQL, refers to a special programming language designed for managing data found within a relational database management system. For reference, a relational database management system, or RDBMS for short, refers to the database management system that is based upon EF-Kodge relational model. They are a common choice for storing financial records, manufacturing logistical information, and personnel data, amongst other applications. One of the most popular SQL databases is MySQL, an open source RDBMS. Founded by Michael Wadenius' daughter, Mai, and named after her as well, it is the most widely used open source client-server model RDBMS. In fact, it is found in many high-profile websites such as Google, Facebook, YouTube, Flickr, and Twitter. Furthermore, it is a highly popular choice for use in web applications. It is an essential component of the extensively used LAMP open source web application software stack. LAMP is an acronym for the collection of these web pages and stands for Linux, Apache, MySQL, Perl, PHP, Python. While SQL has its benefits, NoSQL is much more well equipped to handle big data and real-time web applications. Used for storing and retrieving data not modeled in tabular relations, NoSQL is much better equipped for the needs of Web 2.0 companies such as Facebook, Google, and Amazon. Compared to SQL, NoSQL is admired for its simplicity of design, its simpler horizontal scaling to machine clusters, and better control over availability. Horizontal scaling is especially important because scaling clusters of machines proves to be difficult for relational databases. Furthermore, the data structure used by these types of databases differ from relational databases slightly, which leads to some operations being faster in NoSQL and vice versa. As I previously stated, NoSQL is much better equipped to handle big data in real-time web applications. In fact, NoSQL is also referred to as not only SQL, which emphasizes NoSQL's ability to support query languages that resemble SQL. Now that a general understanding of both types of these databases has been established, I would like to explain why there is a growing trend of businesses switching and implementing more NoSQL databases. Essentially, this shift can be explained by market drivers and technical requirements. Probably the biggest of these forces is the growth of big data. Big data projects typically consist of four defining features: high data velocity, data variety, data volume, and data complexity. Traditional relational databases just simply aren't equipped well enough to handle these four features, while NoSQL databases are. Aside from processing big data, NoSQL has many other benefits for businesses. For example, because the NoSQL database environment was built with a distributed architecture, there is no single point that can experience absolute failure. If one node goes down, the other nodes are able to continually operate without data loss. Additionally, another reason for this switch is because of a more flexible data model. SQL databases feature very strict and uniform data models and aren't able to accept the types of data a NoSQL database is able to accept. Large data volumes are becoming a fact of life in the modern IT and business environment, so being able to process all this data is crucial to the success of the company. Lastly, through the use of NoSQL databases, businesses are able to mine the immense amount of data that is being collected and then analyze this data in order to gain keen insights and gain a competitive advantage in their industry. Extracting this high volume of data is extremely difficult in an SQL environment. Not only can NoSQL environment store and manage this data, but can also provide integrated data analytics that provide simultaneously understanding of this information, which can facilitate decision making. Whether it be SQL or NoSQL, it is clear databases and database management are crucial to a modern business success. While both these types have their benefits, NoSQL databases are more valued in today's environment due to their ability to handle big data, coupled with their key benefits over relational database management.